Hi, welcome to Laura's Pandora. Today I'm going to show you how I made this Coffin Dracula operation game. So first I looked online to see kind of the style I wanted to do, and I found this picture on Etsy selling for I think around $400 or $300 or something like that. So that's kind of the shape I want to do. Probably not the lids and not the feet of the table, but we'll see. Okay, so the first step is checking out all my wood and what I've got and figuring out the size of coffin I wanted. So I had this huge plywood board and I just kind of laid out the pieces I had for the siding and kind of mapped it out and cut out the plywood board to match the siding that I cut out. Okay, then after that, I mounted these kind of wood blocks to the inside of the edge of the plywood board so that the edge could have something to rest up against, and I could easily screw it into both the plywood board and also this wood blocks. Okay, so then you're going to screw the sides on, and you could miter the edges, but I decided I was just going to do an easy way and not miter, and then just put a strap of fake leather on all the corners to kind of hide those rough, raw edges, just to make it easier on me. Mitering is kind of tricky. Okay, so then we're going to figure out the compartments of the operation game. So I laid out all my pieces and just kind of cut them into shelving units sort of things. Figured I wanted 2 head things, 2 kind of neck things, 2 side arms, and a couple leg parts. So I laid it all out. And then the next part is the front part where the picture's going to be and the holes and everything. Laid that out, and this is a more finished plywood board, easy to paint, not as rough as the bottom part plywood. So cut that exactly out, and it's in sections. I wanted it this way so that I could easily pull out the sections and find all the treasures inside and make sure I could easily clean it when I was done after the use of it. No, wait, actually before then you're gonna want to map out where the holes are gonna be. So I traced out where the holes gonna be, of course, in the different compartment areas, and then I screwed the shelving parts to the face parts. Okay, then to add just a nice finishing touch edge, I cut out about a 2-inch length board and screwed that around the top edge of the coffin. Okay, so with all of the shelving stuff put out of the coffin, you can now easily paint the inside. And I did the bottom part black and the sides kind of a bloody red, and I made it all rough looking mixtured wise. Front facing part of the wood with all the holes in it, I painted completely white. This will make it easier to trace the image I want on it and then paint. Okay, so I just kind of looked online to different Dracula cartoon characters and kind of just drew out my own style, face and legs, and how I wanted the arms to look and everything. Traced it out with a pencil and then painted it with black acrylic paint. The outline, and then filled in the solid spaces. I wanted to add some more color, of course, so we added some red to his cape and his collar. And then I added some glow-in-the-dark paint to his fangs and his eyes and his hands. Okay, the last step is just that leather strap gluing on those leather straps to the corners of the coffin. So I just hot glued it, and then for more security, I put these tacks in on around the edge for a decorative look, but also for securing it look sort of thing. Okay, so you can fill the holes with like dried corn mixed with prizes, mixed with wrapped candy. And then what I'm gonna have my kids and the trick-or-treaters that come to our door is they're going to get, we have these salad tongs that look like bony hands or whatever, salad tongs, and they're just gonna try and pick their prize out, and then I can easily clean the salad tongs after each use. And that is how I made the Dracula's Coffin operation game. Hey, thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos like this.